World's most extreme smartphone is here. What's up guys, it's time to give a new meaning to the word Ultra. This smartphone will make you forget Galaxy S22 or iPhone 13 Pro Max. Out comes Sharp Aquos R6. This is world's first smartphone to have a 1-inch camera sensor, beating out Samsung's ISOCELL GN2 that we saw on the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. This biggest camera sensor in a mobile phone ever was made in collaboration with Leica. According to Sharp, this phone can smog pretty much any smartphone out there when it comes to the low light image quality. Now it's a big 20 megapixel lens, so it doesn't have crazy megapixels like other brands. They also made a custom selfie sensor in collaboration with Leica that has a f1.9 aperture with 7 element lenses. Now apart from the camera, this is the first smartphone to have a quad HD OLED display with 240Hz refresh rate, almost twice the number that we see on the S21 Ultra. It is a LTPO display, so it's gonna switch between all those numbers intelligently for that power saving. As for the brightness, this is the brightest display on any smartphone out there, coming with 2000 nits. Honestly, looking at these crazy specs, Samsung has to do something crazy or at least match these with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung has used 120Hz refresh rate on 2 generations, and now may be time for that 240Hz upgrade. Now the crazy specs don't stop there. This is the first smartphone to have Qualcomm 3D sonic scanner that registers 2 fingers. This technology was announced last year, and for some reason Samsung did not adopt this. Not only does it register 2 fingers, the actual scanning area is a lot bigger than a traditional fingerprint scanner. Power wise, it's right up there with the Snapdragon 888 chip combined with 12 gigs of RAM, lots of internal storage, and it comes with a micro SD card slot for storage expansion. It will go on sale exclusively in Japan in the month of June. Whether it comes to international market, we have yet to see any news on that, but yeah, this phone completely sets a new level when it comes to an ultra flagship smartphone. We know when it comes to specs, Apple is not going to challenge Samsung. It's these other brands that do crazy stuff that pushes Samsung to the next level. Based on the current news, Samsung is planning something big for the S22 Ultra by collaborating with an actual camera brand, Olympus. Samsung, as we know, they make their own camera sensors, so we probably will see a 1-inch sensor from Samsung maybe next year. Let me know your thoughts about this in the Okay, back to the news. Samsung has finally made it official. Yes, Samsung Display has officially announced that they will be showcasing some crazy OLED display technologies at SID Week 2021. They'll be revealing pretty much everything they showed off in that Future of OLED display trailer. So we'll be taking a look at the under display camera, Galaxy Fold S/Galaxy Fold Tab with a huge display and tri-folding design, a slidable OLED display as shown in this concept image, along with some other next generation OLED technologies. Guys, make sure to subscribe because next week is going to be absolutely fire. Also in the news, we could see a modular smartphone from Xiaomi in the future. We've got a brand new patent via Let's Go Digital that shows off a modular flagship smartphone from Xiaomi. This smartphone has 2 parts. We've got the upper part that includes camera and modem and processor, all that stuff, and then the lower part consists of battery. When you join the 2 parts, it makes a full-on display, pretty much a full-on working flagship smartphone. Now apart from looking super cool, the big advantage of having a modular smartphone is the upgradability. So pretty much you can upgrade things like camera, display, or speakers and all that kind of stuff. Honestly, I would love to see something like this in the future. So that's all for today. Sharp has absolutely shocked everyone by releasing something incredible, giving a new meaning to the word Ultra, and something to look forward to on the S22 Ultra when it comes out. It absolutely has to have a 240Hz refresh rate, possibly a 1-inch smartphone sensor. We'll see about that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.